What is going on, everyone? Today we are here to talk about 5 Android hacks that you may not be using. So the first hack we have here is long pressing on app icons to access task options without having to physically be in the app. Not all apps support this, so you're going to have to experiment and see which ones do and which ones don't. For the ones that don't, when you do long press on them, like AZ Screen Recorder, you can see I don't get any menu options, I just get the option of dragging it somewhere. So the next thing we're going to talk about is placing a settings widget on your home screen. So we're going to scroll all the way down here until we get to the settings widget, and we're going to long press it and drag it to anywhere on the home screen. As you can see, we're going to have a long list of options to choose from for that widget. I'm going to choose the data usage widget, and as you can see, that's what it's going to turn this widget into. And now we can click on it and we can access all the options for data. And this is nice because you don't have to use the pull down menu to access any of this. It's now on your home screen in a widget, super easy to access. The next thing we're going to talk about is setting a do not disturb schedule, and this is actually on the top of my suggestions, so we're just going to go ahead and click that. And as you can see, we already have some presets here, but we can go in and we can change those however we like. The do not disturb feature is really nice if you're trying to get some things done or you're trying to rest and you just don't want to be bothered by anything. If you like, you can delete some of these presets or even create a new one. The next thing I want to talk about is how to get Google Play credits by answering surveys directly from Google. This is very easy to do if you have a few moments to spare. So here is an example of a survey I had to take. A lot of times you'll get a notification in your pull down menu, and then you'll go ahead and click on it and you'll just go ahead and answer the questions that are in the survey. Now some surveys are pretty long, but most of the time they're pretty short, and normally the longer the survey, the better the credits you will get. This is a super easy way to get Google Play credits, and the credits are deposited right into your Google Play account. The final hack that we have for today is accessing the support tab through your settings. Now this is going to be a valuable option if you need help with your Android device, as there is a phone and chat support option. Now if we scroll down here, we have a search help and send feedback option, and this could be very useful if you need help troubleshooting your Android device. But what I found even more interesting was the explore tips and tricks option here, and it actually brings you to android.com, and you have a list of options here at the bottom that you can scroll through that'll help you with different parts of Android. Make sure you check this out because there's some really good information in here. That is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And I will try to post some links here of other videos that I have made that you can go ahead and check out, and hopefully those will help you out too. So until next time, keep enjoying that tech, and we'll catch all of you later.